Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin in Settings to change the EQ system-wide for Apple Music playback. Open Settings and tap Music. Once done, locate Playback and then EQ. Make sure your device is updated because some menus shift between iOS releases. Have the headphones or speakers you plan to use plugged in so you can test immediately. You're taking action now, no extra apps. This step ensures the system-level EQ affects Apple's playback and gives you immediate audible feedback as you switch presets. Now you'll pick and compare presets. Tap EQ to open the built-in list and tap a preset to enable it, then play a song you know well so frequency changes are obvious. You should listen for bass, mid-range clarity, and treble sparkle. Once you hear a change, switch to another preset to compare. Make small adjustments to volume while testing because loudness affects perceived EQ. If you want granular control beyond presets, note this is a preset-only interface. Use third-party apps for custom bands. Finish by confirming the EQ works across songs and output devices. Play several tracks, connect different headphones or speakers, and make sure the active preset sounds as expected. If you don't hear any difference, force close the music app and reopen it. If still silent, restart your iPhone. Sometimes audio routing needs a reboot. If presets aren't enough for you, consider a reputable third-party equalizer app that offers custom bands and system routing. Otherwise, you're done, and your chosen preset will apply to apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.